Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. So once you open, you simply need to scroll and click on app management. And here you need to click on app list and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to allow all permissions, and after completing that step you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp. As you can see, my WhatsApp is up to date, and after that you need to restart your smartphone, and by doing all steps your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.